have to make a conscious decision that we are going to co-create our lives. So Einstein said that we cannot solve our problems with the same thinking that we used when we created them. So essentially, if most of the time we're going to be coming from our problem side of things. And what that means is that we're coming from a lack, right? So it's like, oh, I don't have enough money. Oh, if only I wasn't so fat. Gee, I'm always tired. Oh, I hate my job. Oh, I just can't stand my life. These are some of the negative things that we see out there. Not you guys specifically, but a lot of people struggle with those kinds of issues. And so where they're coming from is the problem. And when we come from that problem energy and we keep affirming it over and over again, I hate my job, I hate my life, I hate my partner, I never have enough money. These kinds of negative affirmations, I call it negative manifesting, just keeps us in that vibration of the problem. So this is why it's really important for us to focus on, hey, what is it you want instead? It's probably the opposite of what you're actually doing. So, and if everybody did this, we probably wouldn't have poverty. We wouldn't have, the world would look completely different, right? We'd have happy people who are actually on purpose doing the things that make them happier. Gee, what does that look like? So I would like to see more of that, obviously. So we need to move into what Einstein talks about, and that's in the solution.